Good morning. Welcome to this WW full day of eating, also known as WW What I Eat in a Day. We are going to start our morning off with some coffee. Black coffee is 0 points. Let's make breakfast. I have a little bit of this egg substitute that I need to get used up. And I also have, I think, 1 turkey sausage in this pack, and I bought another one because I love these so much. And somewhere in this drawer, I have Velveeta cheese. I have the perfect ingredients for an omelet. Let's get into our app. I am using both WW and Healthi. I use Healthi under Carb Conscious. I will explain more about that in a little bit. Egg is 0 points. 3 links of the turkey sausage is 3 points. I'm going to search Velveeta cheese, and Velveeta is 1 point. So for breakfast, the total is 4 points. Through the Healthi app, a half a cup of the egg substitute is 1 point. 3 links of the turkey sausage is 2 points, and I need to search Velveeta. 1 slice of Velveeta is 1 point. That brings breakfast to a total of 4 points through Healthi. I'm heating up my pan and the sausages, and I sprayed my pan with a little bit of olive oil spray. At this point, you can also add any kind of vegetable, mushrooms, onions, peppers. I don't have anything, so I'm just going to keep mine simple this morning. The rest of the egg substitute was exactly a half a cup. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. The trick to an omelet is to put a cover over the pan. It captures the steam and cooks the egg all the way through. I'm going to add the Velveeta cheese to one side of the omelet. I'm going to fold the omelet over on top of the cheese and let it melt. It gets really ooey gooey. It is so delicious. Now that looks like a very delicious breakfast. I also cut up a banana and added some grapes to have on the side. Now that I'm ready for the day, I need to get some water. I need to start drinking my water. Drink a little bit, but not much. I have the windows open. You can probably hear the geese. They're out there just a squawking in the pond. They're having a day. I like ice in mine. Hey, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you are new here, my name is Corinna. There have been a few of you that have asked me why I'm doing Weight Watchers and Healthi. I am doing Healthi Carb Conscious. It is a free program unless you want all the bells and whistles, and then you can pay for a subscription. Plus, I have the WW app so I can share points with you. I mean, why not? It is noon, so it's lunchtime for me, which is good because I'm starting to get hungry. I forgot to tell you how many points I have left over for the day on both my Weight Watcher and Healthi app, so I'm going to show you that, and then we are going to start pulling out items and make us some lunch. Through the WW app, I get 23 points a day, and I have 19 points left. Through the Healthi app, I get 26 points a day, and I have 22 points left. I have these real good chicken strips. They're lightly breaded chicken breast strips, and I am going to pop some of these in the air fryer. We have to figure out our points first. We're in our Weight Watcher app. We're gonna scan it through the Weight Watcher app. For 4 ounces, it's only 2 points. Through the Healthi app, for 4 ounces, it is 4 points. I'm gonna cook the chicken in the air fryer, and it says to air fry them on 400 for 14 minutes. So I'm gonna do 7, flip, and 7. I'm gonna get out my food scale. This is linked in the description of this video. I'm gonna turn this into a salad. So let's dig in the refrigerator and see what we can come up with to add all kinds of good vegetables to our salad. I have cherry tomatoes, which are my absolute favorite. I have some cucumber. I need to peel and cut that up, and I also have baked salad, so that's perfect. I love keeping salad items stocked in my refrigerator, and then if I feel like having one, it's there. A lot of times Jason will be craving a salad too, and we love to have salad on the side of our dinners. I really like English cucumbers better than regular cucumbers, but they didn't have them this week, so I just got a regular one. Time to flip. These smell so good. The base of it is lettuce. I love this one. It is the garden salad, and it has the cabbage and carrots and everything already in it. I don't even have to chop anything for that. Yay! And I cut up my cucumber. I'm gonna add that. I cut up quite a bit of cucumber actually. And tomato. These little cherub tomatoes are the best. Ever since I've had them, I've tried other ones and they just do not taste as good as the cherub tomatoes. As you can see, the scale says 4 ounces. So I'm gonna cut this up and put it on my salad. For the dressing, I'm just using regular ranch. You can use the yogurt ranch or whatever you have on hand for less points. For 2 tablespoons through WW, it is 5 points. That leaves me with 12 points for the day. Through the Healthi app, 2 tablespoons is 3 points. That leaves me with 15 points for the day. I use a tablespoon to measure the dressing. If I eyeball it, I know I would put more than 2 tablespoons on. Doesn't that look like just a delicious, scrumptious lunch? Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to dig into this. You could add egg if you wanted to. You could also add cheese. And then the topping list seriously just goes on and on for a salad. But I like mine this simple. It's good. It's a big full bowl of it. So I'm happy. I need some coffee. I have the classic roast or I have a house blend. I'm gonna use the house blend today. Both of them are very good though. Tired hit me. This will give me a perfect afternoon pick-me-up. While that is going, let's find a snack. These are newer to me. I discovered these at Sam's Club and they are an organic coconut crispy roller. These things are so very good. They remind me of a macaroon, eating a macaroon. They're not soft though, they're actually crunchy, but the flavor is like a macaroon. They are very good and pretty low point. I'll show ya. Through Weight Watchers, for 10, it is 7 points. I'm gonna lower that, going into servings. For 6 of them, it is 4 points. That leaves me with 8 points for the day. Through the Healthi app, for 10 of them, it is 4 points. I'm gonna do 6, brought it right down to 2 points. That leaves me with 13 points for the day. This is what they look like. They're a pretty good size and they're hollow on the inside. It's just like a little, like a crispy wafer. They're very good. If you haven't tried them, I highly recommend. Plus, I'm going to have an apple, which is 0 points. That's a pretty low point snack. That makes me happy. It is about 3:30 and I want to get the chicken that I'm making for dinner tonight in the oven because I am roasting a whole chicken. They were on sale, so we couldn't pass up the sale and Jason ended up getting 2 of them, but I'm only gonna roast 1 tonight. I am using the seasoning that we have used before on chicken and it is fantastic. It is by McCormick and it is a rotisserie chicken seasoning. I set the chicken on balls of aluminum because I don't have a rack with my roasting pan to be able to use that, and balls of aluminum work perfectly fine to lift the chicken up out of the pan so that the steam surrounds it and crisps up that skin really well. I'm gonna put it in the oven on 425 and it is gonna be in there for about an hour to an hour and a half, and I will check it with a meat thermometer. I know you can roast vegetables right along with the chicken, but I decided not to do that. Instead, I'm going to make these little potatoes on the side. I'm really thinking about just putting them in the air fryer. On WW, the chicken and the potatoes are 0 points. This is a 0 point meal for Weight Watchers, but for Healthi, there's points. With Healthi, I'm just gonna search chicken, and the chicken breast cooked without skin. I don't eat skin, so, and no bone is for 3 ounces, it's gonna be 3 points. I have this one favorited also, so I can find it because this one's good. But I'm going to change the ounces. I'm gonna put 4 ounces for 4 points. And then the potatoes, for 4 potatoes, it is 2 points. So I'm gonna keep that. It switched me over to snack. I don't know why. We're gonna put it back to dinner here. Dinner is only 6 points. Through Weight Watchers, I just searched cooked skinless boneless chicken breast. It has 3 ounces, is 0 points. I'm gonna try 4, I think it's still gonna be 0. It is, but I'm gonna track that. And then also I'm going to scan these potatoes, and the potatoes for 4 of them is 0 points. So going into the food log, dinner is 0 points, which still leaves me with 8 points for the day through WW. And I have 7 points left through Healthi. I am also going to serve a vegetable on the side. I have some canned vegetables. I just have to figure out which one I want to use with this meal. Also, I forgot to tell you, we went for a walk. We took Cooper down to the mailbox today. We were supposed to be in for some storms tonight and we wanted to get some steps in, so we did that really quickly. It fooled me. I thought it was warmer out than what it really was. The wind had a little chill to it. It's always nice to get some fresh air. Okay, so I have beets. I love beets. And then we have French style green beans. Tim actually asked for the French style green beans, so that's what we're going to have on the side. So for the potatoes, the bigger ones I just cut in half, and then the smaller ones I just left them as is. And I sprayed it with olive oil spray, added a little salt, and I also added some rosemary and some thyme. I'm gonna cook these on 400. I'm gonna do 10 minutes shake and 10 more, but I'm gonna keep my eye on them because I don't know if they'll actually take 20 minutes. I changed my mind. I'm gonna do 8 and then shake them and then 8 more, and we'll go from there. For the green beans, I just pop them in the microwave and cook them that way. I added a little bit of pepper to them, and then I will set out these seasonings by Paula Deen. This one is a house seasoning, and this one is a soy salt. My guys love these on green beans. So I have 4 ounces of chicken, and then I have about 4 of those little potatoes and some green beans. I'm also going to put a little bit of spray butter on those green beans, and that is dinner. It is 7 o'clock and I am looking for a snack. So I'm heading into the pantry. We're gonna see what I've got in here. I know one thing, it is new to me and I gotta show you. I discovered these in my grocery order last week. So these are a mini Oreo, a mini Nutter Butter, or mini Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies. Gotta figure out the points. This would be a perfect little road trip snack too. So I got the Nutter Butters. We're in the WW app. So for one package through WW, it is 6 points. That would leave me with 2 points for the day. We're heading over to Healthi. For one pack, it is 4 points. So I'm gonna have those. Let me hit track. I have 3 points left through Healthi. I have these little snack pack pudding cups. This one is chocolate and vanilla. I already scanned this into my phone when I had purchased these. So for one chocolate and vanilla pudding cup, it is 3 points. That leaves me with 0. So in the search, I just typed up pudding cup and there's choices. This one is 5 points for a chocolate pudding cup, but their sugar-free vanilla is only 2 points if you get the sugar-free, and that would end the points for the day perfectly. You get quite a few of these little Nutter Butters in here. Let me tell you, these go really good with coffee. I'm just saying. And then I also put a little dollop of whipped cream on the top of my pudding cup, and that is my dessert for the night. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Wait, here are 2 more videos you can watch next. They're WW, so they're just extra cool.